guess where we are today. We just arrived about 20 minutes ago, had time for a quick cup of coffee and visit to his tourist office where a very helpful man gives a map and pointed out some interesting places. We're in Altea. We're Neil and Sue. We retired early and are now living in Spain on our NLVs. Join us as we explore this colourful and exciting country. Okay, we're in Altea. It's only about an hour and 20 minutes drive from home maybe. It's the first time we've been here. There's a nice sculpture here, but it doesn't say what it's meant to be. It just looks like, well, I don't know whether they're wrestling or having a cuddle. Just walking up from the Esplanade on the way to the old town. I think there's a few things we can look at first on the way. The very helpful man in the tourist information office did make the mistake of saying there is a market on today. So, no doubt,
you might be going there.
That's probably where we'll be heading first. We didn't even get to the weekly market and we found an indoor market. Lovely butchers. All the hams. Cheeses. Meat. It's quite small for one of these indoor markets, isn't it? Very much just a local indoor market. I'm not going to count the steps, but yeah, you want to start counting?
Yeah, maybe.
I think there's 200, is it 240 or something?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count.
Oh.
I've lost count already. I forgot I was counting.
Well, you got to about 20, didn't you?
That's maybe, should we say 30?
Yeah, we'll say 30. Give or take 20. Oh. It's an old water system or something. There's some aqueducts out of town that must have brought water in ancient days. This must be part of the way in for the water. Oh, this is nice. Looking down to Calpe rock away in the distance. Oh, still got a heap of steps to go.
200.
Give or take 50. It's another water fountain with a monkey head where the spout comes out. I've seen a couple of those. I don't know whether that means anything. And then say in the comments whether they know why street drinking water fountains have monkey heads in Spain. Nice little cottages. What was the point of coming up 250 odd steps, give or take 50, when we've got to head back down another whole load now to get to the market? Oh, what's going wrong? It's Tuesday, the 19th of November. So if you're ever in Altea, you know the weekly market is on a Tuesday. Oh, these olives smell nice. I can smell the olives.
Different shape, different size.
All the different the tomatoes are sold by variety. Different shapes, sizes, colours. Those are nice ones. Just cut into slices would be nice in a salad or top of a burger or something. They're all different ones.
Size of your hand.
Yeah, couldn't help ourselves.
Gracias.
6 churros for €2. Oh, I think they're quite nice and crunchy. They're not bad. Here we go again. Another 1,000 steps. You should have had your step counter on today. Everywhere you turn, there's nice views. You've got the Calpe rock way in the distance there, and then looking down over the mountains. Looking down from the old town of Altea. It's beautiful.
Eh?
Very tranquil. I can feel the serenity. In the distance there, you can just see the tops of the hotels in Benidorm. More steps. This had better be worth it. This house has got a plaque to Cervantes. I think he was a poet or an author, wasn't he? Don't know what that symbol means. Some sort of devil worship, maybe. Didn't expect that when you could just come round the corner. It's amazing. We didn't know, but it's the Altea Gourmet Burger Festival on at the moment. So we just stopped for a beer and a drink in the plaza by the church. But we might need to have a look around and see if we can find a nice burger to have.
Up in Altea from the 15th to the 24th is a gastronomic route aimed to publicise the best burger establishments from Altea with its diverse and striking proposals.
Striking proposals? Oh, the bells, the bells. How many was that? 2 o'clock and all's well.
Request the QR code, give your email, upload the ticket photo, and you're registered.
For goodness sake. And the price is a pack of 3 beers.
No.
You have 15, you pay for 15 burgers.
No. You only need to participate in one.
On one, huh?
You need to have
One.
15 burgers.
And you get...
No, your first prize was... Oh, it just said...
I'd want a holiday in Morocco or something.
It's quite a long way to come back though, isn't it? It says participate and you can win the following prizes. Tasting dinner for 2 people.
A tasting dinner for 2.
A pack of 3 bottles of wine. 50 coffee capsules. Or tasting products from the butchers.
Wow.
Not impressed?
I don't think that's worth the effort, really.
Okay.
It's not
You
like,
might have a burger anyway.
I mean, you might have a burger anyway, but I don't think I'd participate. It's not like the tapestry we went in Benihoffer, where you're only paying for $3.50. But you had to do a minimum of 5 or something to enter, didn't you? See, that was worth entering. At least you got to try 5 different things. I don't think I suppose it depends how much the burgers are. Not that they're 18 or 20 pounds each or euros each for a gourmet burger, which they probably are. Getting around 15 restaurants will cost you a fortune. Isn't it?
You only need to go to one.
Picasso thing, isn't it?
Pardon?
That's part of Guernica, isn't it? The Picasso picture.
Oh, is that?
There we are. Oh, Guernica it is.
Very good.
Very good. It's quite a spectacular church, isn't it?
They all are, wherever you go.
It's a lovely little whitewashed Spanish town.
Sure, this will be very different in the height of summer. Thousands of people up
It'll
here.
be packed, I would imagine.
Nice this time of year.
Not too hot, not too busy. Have we been here before?
No. Yes, this is where it said number 5.
Oh yeah, we have been here before. What does that remind you of? Is anyone old enough to remember stickle bricks? There's a proper little chiringuito on the beach at Altea. Can't get much better than that. Right on the beach.
Blankets keep your legs warm. How cute is that?
Cheers. It was beef burger week here in Altea. We're going against the grain. What rebels.
We've gone for pizza.
Altea is a perfect day trip, only about an hour and 20 minutes from QUESADA and TORREVIEJA area, and about less than 20 minutes drive from Benidorm.